In this video, I am going to show you how to fix the issue of your Hisense TV not picking up channels so you can get back to enjoying your favorite shows and movies. If your Hisense TV isn't detecting channels, it could be due to a variety of reasons, such as incorrect antenna setup, outdated software, or issues with the tuner. Here's how you can troubleshoot and resolve the problem. First, check your antenna connection. Ensure the antenna is securely plugged into the ANTIN port on the back of your TV and positioned correctly for optimal signal reception. If you're using a cable box, make sure all cables are properly connected and the box is powered on. Next, perform a channel scan to detect available channels. Go to the Settings menu on your Hisense TV, navigate to Channel Setup, and select Auto Channel Scan or Manual Channel Scan. This process will search for and save all available channels in your area. If the scan still doesn't pick up channels, try adjusting the antenna's position or switching to a higher quality antenna for better reception. Another common issue could be outdated software. Check for firmware updates by going to Settings, then System Update, and select Check for Updates. If an update is available, install it and restart your TV. If the problem persists, reset your TV to its factory settings. Just be aware that this will erase any custom settings, so make sure to note them down beforehand. You can reset your TV by going to Settings, then System Reset, and following the prompts. Additionally, if you're using a cable subscription, contact your provider to ensure there are no outages or issues with your service. Lastly, if none of these steps work, consider contacting Hisense customer support or consulting the user manual for further assistance. That's it. You now know how to fix the issue of your Hisense TV not picking up channels. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.